What if your image API and video API started from the same visual intelligence? That's the promise behind Flux 3, one model family designed for images, edits, motion, and sound. Instead of jumping between disconnected generators, you begin with a prompt, build a keyframe, refine it with references, then turn that same idea into a moving scene. For stills, the planned text to image endpoint takes a detailed prompt plus an aspect ratio and resolution. The Flux 3 Dev API SDK groups that image call with the rest of the model family in one Python client. Need to change the image without starting over? The same SDK maps image to an instruction plus reference images, so you can restyle a scene, replace a background, or preserve a character while changing the world around them. Then comes motion. BFlux says Flux 3 Video can create video with native audio from text prompts, images, video references, or controlled keyframes. Use a scene prompt with a subject, action, environment, camera move, and audio cue. Then the focused video SDK shows the proposed call with audio enabled and an async result wait. If you already have the perfect keyframe, image to video can start there, either continuing from that frame or using images as visual references. The video SDK exposes that as a companion call, while BFL also describes multi-shot chaining for longer sequences. That workflow is the bigger idea. Generate, direct, refine, then animate without losing the visual language you started with. BFL's image rollout is planned separately, while video is already in BFL early access. The launch immediately sparked attention across the AI community. BFL's official post leads with one multimodal model for image, video, audio, and action prediction and points viewers to the early access rollout. Early access creators are reacting to the same practical strengths: longer, more cinematic shots, detailed prompting, and the possibility of carrying an idea across multiple scenes. Treat those as early impressions, not a substitute for your own test. Developers are interested, but they are also asking the practical question: when can this run in real workflows, and what will the open weight version look like? That answer is still part of the rollout, not something to assume from the launch. On Muapi, the planned Flux 3 endpoints are not yet generally available. Watch the endpoint pages for availability. If you want BFL access now, use its official early access request.